Good morning. Today we have something very special planned. My mother will be teaching me how to make French toast.
I am French, you know. And I love you so much.
What do we do first?
Well, first we will start with the eggs. The most important part of French toast is the eggs. Some people think it is the bread, but it is the egg. Aha! All right. Normally I have regular bread when I'm making French toast, but today we have French bread because we're being fancy.
And it's very hard.
Well, it's a couple days old. So you want to use bread that is not new. You want to use bread that is a few days old, or
because that way it doesn't get soggy.
Stale bread. All right, so but first I'm going to use Mr. Whiskington. We're going to use Sir Whiskington to cook our French toast and eggs and blend it all up. I mean, not to cook it, to blend it though. All right, so I'm going to crack these eggs super fast and then start to add our other ingredients. So we're starting out with 12 eggs. I can sing Christmas songs any time of the year. And Haley loves Christmas songs.
Wait.
Actually, in one of her last videos, I don't know why, but they were playing Christmas music. Was that off Sam's phone?
Yeah.
That's funny. So,
I can't.
Haley,
I can't figure out how to take it off the camera.
It's like Halloween, and she's like, Christmas songs, Christmas songs. Some people in our family believe that you cannot.
Day after Halloween.
Yeah, some people in our family believe you cannot listen to Christmas songs until the day after Thanksgiving. But she's an early bird. Okay, so we're gonna crush this and put this in the trash. Who?
Huh?
Who? Are you saying who?
Oh, I said whoa because you like.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna wash my hands now. My mom always said to use milk to make it fluffy. So we're gonna use whipping cream, heavy whipping cream. This is gonna make it really fluffy. Really yummy and good. And the secret, 1 cup. So 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Doesn't matter which brand. And then vanilla. Now, my mom said the secret ingredient to any recipe is more vanilla. So, okay. So we're going to put in our vanilla. And we're going to do 2 teaspoons. Like I said, I don't normally measure. Those are heaping. Here we go. And now I need the cinnamon.
Oh, it's right there. That's right.
Cinnamon. Okay. And
oh, sugar too.
Sugar, yeah. Cinnamon we're going to use. I like cinnamon on the French toast. We'll also sprinkle it a little bit on the French toast after, or like before we're gonna bake it or something. I don't know. Okay, so how much was that?
Half a teaspoon.
Half a teaspoon. All right, so we're gonna start. We'll do half a teaspoon. Does that sound good?
Oh my gosh, the cinnamon smells so good.
We're making it happen today. We're doing a whole teaspoon. Hold the fork.
Wow.
Hold the fork. Not the fork. Hold the fork.
I can hold the fork.
Actually, in baking.
Oh yeah, you can hold the fork and eat it.
Hold the fork.
Eat it. Yeah.
Okay. And now with the sugar. Okay. With sugar.
It's so
You can't have too much sugar.
Do you want like?
So we're gonna do
less than
a 1/4 cup of sugar. Half a cup of sugar.
Half
This is gonna be amazing. This is gonna be the best French toast ever in the entire
French toast before.
history world ever of French toast.
I just can't make it as good as her, so.
Wow. Okay, a whole half cup. Now, when this is done, we're going to be dipping the bread into this and putting it in the pan. Now, one thing I really like to do is use butter. Butter, lots of butter. We love butter in our family. Okay, we gotta get it in there. Butter's getting hot. Butter's getting hot. Okay, we're gonna soak this. We're gonna soak it. We're gonna pour this in here.
Like leave it. Oh.
We're soaking it in there. Look at that. Look how foamy that is.
We're going in.
We're going in. Pour me a couple more pieces in. Hurry. Our butter is getting. Okay, we're soaking this up. All right, we're soaking this up. All right, this is looking good. All right, hold on. We're getting a crowd in here.
Just let them sit in there.
No. It doesn't take long. See, look, it's falling apart now. All right, so there we go. And that foamy And the egg and all of that. Okay, you're gonna help. All right, you're gonna help. Okay, we only got room for one more.
Oh wait,
there you
this
go.
one is more soggy, so.
Okay. Okay. We have another one in there?
Yeah.
Oh no, it's not gonna fit our pan. Okay, go ahead. You know the fisherman.
Dripping.
I know. The fisherman that caught a fish and then he had to throw it back because his pan was too small.
I can smell it.
Yeah, like I said. Let's see here. What was I gonna do? Cinnamon.
Sprinkle cinnamon.
Yeah. The most important thing that you can do for your French toast is make sure that it is stale and old, and then have enough egg. Like you want, like I said.
And lots of butter.
Yeah, 1 egg per thing. All right, so I sprinkled a little cinnamon on and plus it makes it look pretty. You know, when you get that French toast served at a restaurant, and it's got that little sprinkles of cinnamon on it.
Oh yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You can also sprinkle powdered sugar and like.
Ooh, yeah, when it
syrup
comes
on
off.
it.
Go get the powdered sugar. That's good. That is super yummy.
I want to try it without the powdered sugar too.
Okay. So your French toast is not just a piece of bread. See that? Isn't that good? You should get the camera and like get over here. Yeah.
I can't. I don't know how.
You really don't?
No, I tried.
Okay, so this is pretty pitiful. Our tech crew is still asleep. So
What time is it?
I am the talent. I do not know how to work a camera. Okay.
Me neither. Okay.
Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this.
That's beautiful.
Look at that. Okay.
Wait, I can zoom in, I think.
Now just bend it over. Like take the whole tripod and go.
Okay, wait. I think I know how to zoom in.
Okay. Oh. This is stuck because the egg is connecting it. It's so yummy. Oh my gosh, look at that one. Oh, it's so gorgeous. Okay, we're gonna have to like disconnect with the eggs. Okay. Are you seeing it?
It's at 3%.
No! Okay, we gotta change the battery in a minute. Look at that. Does that look yummy or what? Oh my. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, look at the back of these guys. Look. Isn't that nice? Okay. And you just put it on your plate. And we're going to try these out. I'm going to take this off the fire for a minute because we're not going to be cooking.
But be
right
careful because then you might
I know,
try to
it's so
touch
hot.
it.
Okay. There you go. Which one do you want? Pick it out. That one? Okay. So she wants this one. You're not.
I'm just so excited though. This looks so good. This is like a really big piece. Let me cut that in half again.
See? And it soaked all. Oh.
It's so good.
It soaked all into the bread.
Thank you so much for baking with us. Thank you for teaching me how to make French toast. Finally, it is amazing. I hope you can enjoy this.
It's super yummy.
And make it.
Yes, make it.
You'll want to make it every single day.
Yes.
I'm serious.
And subscribe to her wonderful channel.
No.
Yes, the audience loves you.
Don't say that.
I am your mother. I can say that for you.
Oh.